first step in the roof replacement process is to remove the existing roof. For this residential flat roof, removal begins with tearing up the old torch-down membrane. Large areas of the roof can be scraped and peeled off. Special attention is given to the protruding features like drains, vents, and skylights. Underneath of the torch-down membrane is a layer of foam board insulation. This is reusable if the existing material is in good condition. If there is any apparent damage, the board is replaced. Beneath the insulation is the roof deck. These wood OSB sheets provide structural integrity for the entire roof. Again, if there is any water damage or rot, these boards will be removed and replaced. Around the perimeter of the roof is aluminum drip edge. This component serves to direct water away from the fascia and into the drains on the roof. The drip edge is uncaulked, unscrewed, and peeled away for replacement. Much like the edges, the chimney is wrapped in aluminum flashing and watertight membrane. These materials are stripped off to make room for the new roof. The tear-off ends when the roof and areas surrounding the home are cleaned of debris. This ensures the roof is prepped and ready for the installation process. The debris is hauled away so new roofing materials can be brought in. Now that the old roof is removed and replacement roof decking is installed, the new roofing materials are brought up and the installation begins. Any spots where roof decking was cut out or removed must be replaced with new OSB board. As the decking is patched, the crew works to fit and replace the foam board insulation. This particular roof required 3-inch boards. Once the foam board is fitted and secured, sheets of waterproof granular underlayment are rolled out to cover the entire roof. This material is fire resistant and textured to promote adhesion with the torch down. The underlayment is used to wrap any exposed fixtures, edges, and roof protrusions to ensure water tightness. Custom drip edge is made for the entire roof perimeter. Aluminum sheet metal is measured and formed into a gravel roof stock. The drip edges are fit onto the roof edge and screwed into place over the underlayment layer. The drip edge seals the roof edges, protecting the fascia. Water cannot penetrate into the wood or insulation. It also directs water away from the roof edges toward the roof drains. The screws holding the drip edge in place will be covered and sealed by the rubber torch down. When the edging is in place, the roof is ready for its final layer. Rubber granulated torch down seals the roof off from water and weather. The heat from propane torches melts the polymer modified asphalt and secures the layer down. The torch down is fit over corners, seams, and edges to ensure a watertight seal across the whole roof. Additionally, carefully planned cutouts form barriers for openings and architectural features. Last but not least, the chimney is refit with flashing and sealed tight with a heavy bead of caulk. The chimney flashing provides an extra protective barrier and a seamless transition from the brick to the torch down. Once all the nooks and crannies are covered, thoroughly sealed, and all layers are in place, the crew cleans off the roof and removes any loose debris. The finished product is a watertight barrier for your home that will last for a very long time.